In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your theme and activate dark mode in Outlook. Let's dive right in and walk you through this process step by step. First off, begin by navigating to the Microsoft Outlook homepage. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button and give it a click. This will bring you to the sign in page where you'll need to enter your login details. Carefully type in your email address and password to ensure that everything is correct. After all, we don't want any pesky login errors to slow us down. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Next. Now that you're signed in and on the Outlook dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a settings icon that looks like a small gear. It might be nestled among other icons, but don't worry, it's quite easy to spot. Click on this settings icon to open up a selection of options. Once in the settings menu, look out for the section labeled General. This section is where you'll find a host of customization options that can enhance your Outlook experience. Click on General to expand the list and uncover additional settings, including our primary focus, Appearance. Now that you're in the Appearance settings, this is where the fun begins. You have the power to choose how your Outlook interface will look. Under Appearance, you will see options for activating either dark mode or light mode. If you're someone who finds a darker interface easier on the eyes, especially during those late-night work sessions, be sure to activate dark mode. On the other hand, if bright and vibrant pages are more your style, then light mode might be your preference. Moreover, you can select from a variety of themes to add a personal touch to your Outlook. Themes can range from simple and understated to colorful and dynamic, catering to all tastes. Feel free to explore the available themes until you find one that suits your unique style. Once you're satisfied with your selections, don't forget the crucial last step. Press the Save button. This ensures that all your customization efforts are applied, and your settings will change to reflect your new choices. After hitting Save, you should immediately see the changes take effect in your Outlook environment. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully changed your Outlook theme and activated dark mode. This simple customization can make navigating your emails a more enjoyable and personalized experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly revamped Outlook interface.